Hey everyone, I am Bharat Vora, one of the mentor of Project Kitabe. You can ping me on LinkedIn or Discord server. Today I am going to show you how you can fork and clone the repo and run the application on your local server. So let's begin. At first, go to the project repo. You can also find the URL in the description for the same. Now we fork the project to add a respective repo in our account. You can see the repo added in our account successfully. To run project locally, we have to download the code in our system. There are many ways to download the code, like from the download zip, you can download a zip file of the entire project code. But in this video, we will use a Git CLI to download code. Copy the HTTPS project URL. Now go to the terminal and respective folder. Create a new directory if you want. Here I am creating a new directory called Girl Script Summer of Code 21 for this project. Write git clone command to clone the repo in your system. If you haven't installed Git CLI in your system, then just go to the Google and type download Git CLI. Download Git as per your requirements. Come back to the terminal and run the git clone command.
A few moments later.
As you can see, we have successfully cloned the repo in our system. After that, now we have to follow the contributing.md file which is located in the project. You can see as of now we have completed the above steps and now we go with the installing virtual environment. After installing virtual environment, create a virtual environment called book.env. There are different ways to create an environment in a various operating system. As I am using a Windows 10 machine, I have this command. After running the command, you can see that you are in a virtual environment. Now download all the relevant packages that requires to run this Django application by running next command.
A few moments later.
After downloading all packages, it's time to change some variables in project's setting. To open file, I am using Visual Studio, but you can always use whatever you like. Open settings.py, which is located in the book rec system. change the variable secret key and allowed host as mentioned in the contributing.md file. Finally, run the migrate command, which executes SQL command by creating tables in a database that's specified in a apps models.py file. Great, you have done a really good work. Now test your application by running run server command. You can see the server is started at the given URL. So go with the URL. Now do some really good stuff. We will look forward for your contribution.